In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how much concrete you need for a typical garden stepping stone project, so you don't end up wasting materials or running out halfway through. Alright, so first things first, you gotta figure out the size of your stepping stones. Let's say each stone is about 1 foot by 1 foot and roughly 2 inches thick. That's a pretty standard size. To get the amount of concrete, you calculate the volume by multiplying length times width times thickness. But remember to convert all measurements to feet. For 2 inches thickness, that's like 1/6 of a foot. So 1 foot times 1 foot times 1/6 foot equals 1/6 of a cubic foot per stone. If you want 10 stones, just multiply that volume by 10. Now, concrete usually comes pre-measured in bags covering a certain volume, like a 90-pound bag yielding about half a cubic foot. So to get the total number of bags, divide your total concrete volume by the volume per bag. Also, always buy a little extra, like 10% more, to cover spills or slight miscalculations because you don't want to stop mid-project. When mixing concrete yourself, follow the package instructions closely and mix in a wheelbarrow or bucket until you get a thick, workable consistency. Pour your molds carefully and tap them gently to get rid of air pockets for strong stones. Let them cure properly, usually at least 24 hours, before moving them around or placing them in your garden. One of the biggest mistakes people make when estimating concrete is not converting all measurements to the same units before calculating volume, which throws everything off. Another common issue is underbuying concrete because they forget to add extra for waste or mistakes. You always want that buffer. Lastly, rushing the curing process can lead to weak stones that crack or crumble, so patience is key here. To fix these, double-check your math with consistent units. Always round up your material purchase, and give your stones enough time to set fully before handling. BigHomeProjects.com is solid for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who get the job done right without the hassle. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's an easy way to find new clients looking for help with projects just like garden stepping stones.